How to log into Betika account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will show you how you can log in into Betika account. So without any further ado, let's dive into this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and type in Betika login and search for it. Now from the search results, navigate to the first link on your interface, that is betika.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now to log in, navigate to top right corner. There is a login button, click on it. Then you'll be taken into login prompt. Here, first of all, enter your phone number that you have used to create your account. Make sure to type in your correct phone number. Under that, enter your correct password. Make sure that you have used or you are using the password that you have used when creating your Betika account. In case if you forgot your password, there is a link right here. Click on it, follow the instructions, and that's going to help you recover your account. Once you're done entering the phone number and password, click on login button, and if you have entered the correct login credential, you will be logged in into your Betika account. And that's it. That's how you can log in into Betika account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.